a great way that you can get involved to try and help little babies and prevent infant sleep death. I'm joined by Alara Whitecamp here. You are a brilliant Vanderbilt University undergrad student, and you have come up with a fantastic project, this Dream Safe project. Tell me a little bit about it and how it came to be.
I have always been very passionate about healthcare and public health and working with kids. I was shadowing some OB/GYN clinicians and neonatologists and in the pediatric ER. And there was a lot of talk about safe sleep habits and SUID, which is sudden unexpected infant death syndrome, because those rates have just been so high here in Tennessee. And
you mentioned Tennessee was one of the highest ranked states in the country when it comes to these kind of deaths.
Yes, with 6.6 per 1,000 deaths. And so that's kind of what drove me to this project. And I heard a lot of talk about with doctors telling their new patients about sleep sacks and how they can greatly reduce SUID.
Essentially just a blanket, a safe blanket that a baby can be wrapped in. You don't have the blankets surrounding them and tangling them up. Is that right?
Yes, and what makes it really, really special is these armholes, because oftentimes with a blanket, the baby doesn't have access to their arms. And so if something happens to come over their face, like a loose blanket, they don't have access to take that off. And that can have some pretty tragic events.
So how can people get involved? It's donations, right? There are several different locations throughout the city where they can come, and if they have a spare sleep sack, donate it.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
So currently we have 5 different donation sites at different children's centers. And we're just reaching out and calling out on any other youth groups or any other national communities to also host drives, just to collect sleep sacks so we can give them out to new mothers in need who maybe don't have resources or access to healthcare systems that can even tell them about sleep sack and safe sleep measures.
It's such a simple tool, and babies grow so fast. I'm sure there are so many families that have sleep sacks just sitting in the closet. Donation to check one of these 5 locations to bring your old sleep sacks and really help a family in need. Laura, we're going to have that information on our News Channel 5 app as well. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you.